Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be putting the feathers in on this owl I'm making out of chestnut. It got given to me by a nice lady. Just put a little post on Facebook if anyone got any logs I could have, because I've just started up a YouTube channel. Be appreciated. And I've had a couple of people. The elephant, the maple, was given to me by a nice man. This is what I'm doing with the chestnut, and I'm doing putting the feathers in. So I just watched Ryan cook. He does them like this, and I've watched Badass Wood. He says turn the chainsaw upside down. It's easier to hold the saw, and it takes the burr off each previous feather each time you're like overlaying with the saw. And I've just messed about and had a couple of goes at a couple of different ways. Saw upside down, saw like that. It's all about getting, if you've got a jack, perfect, or getting a surface where you're comfortable at that height working with your saw. If you're not comfortable and it's awkward, it's going to take you longer, not be as good outcome, and just be more tiring. So then on the top I'm trying to do the crisscross pattern for the head feathers. And I'm just having a little play around. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll upload some more on this owl when I get round to his neck and his face and his feet and the base. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time.